This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. This home is beautifully decorated inside and out. The open floor plan with split bedrooms and outdoor living makes this a dream home for entertaining and relaxing. Enjoy the state-of-art kitchen while your friends and family gather in the great room, or cook your favorite meal on the built-in grill on the lanai, while they lounge by the pool and relax in the spa. When you feel like getting out, take a stroll to the community restaurant, clubhouse, fully equipped gym, play bocce or tennis, ride your bikes or jog along the mini paths. It is only a short drive to Marco Island or downtown Naples 5th Avenue for fabulous dining, entertainment, shopping and white sand beaches. For more information, review the details below.